Happy morning to all my children. Previous videos I was uploaded over many types of reproduction differentiated to the sexual and asexual, and it had an introduction about reproductions. Now this class and this chapter we can discuss about vegetative reproduction, especially in what is a natural method of reproduction. There are two type of vegetative reproduction are there. One is called a natural method, another one is called artificial method. Discuss one by one. For example of natural method of vegetative reproduction, there are many different forms in which plant can copy themselves by natural vegetative propagation. For the part of unit of reproductive structure is called vegetative propagation or diasporas. Generally, natural method of vegetative reproduction, there are reproduced by in root and reproduced in stem, reproduced in leaf. Let's we discuss one by one. What is vegetative reproduction or vegetative propagation? It is a common method of natural method, very common. Frequently, vegetative organs such as root and stem and leaves bear advantages but and bring about the formation of new land. The structure of is called vegetative propagates. So natural method of reproductions. What is vegetative reproduction in root? The root some plant developed advantages but then develop new individual plant. For example, Teltergia, Millingtonia, Guava, Albagia labad or Muraya. These are advantages but some advantages but developed from the root of the plant. It's developed new one plants. And some advantages tuberous but are there. The but developed from new one plant. For example, Ipomia patents, sweet potato, thalia, and tophiaca, etc. For example, this kind of plant of root can develop in new one plant. The swollen root, tuber, they develop new one plants. Some of swollen root, for example, thalia, they developed new plants based on the old tubers. And sweet potato already told you, Ipomia pattern. Advantages, some of the tuberous advantages root developed into bud. In some method of natural method of vegetative propagation can reproduced by stem. The stem classified aerial stem, underground stem and subaerial stem. Now underground stem natural method of vegetative propagation. For example, corn, tuber, rhizome, and also their bulb. These are all as example of underground stem modification. Let's we discuss one by one. Singer, also called rhizome. These are rhizome can develop a new one plant. Singer and Musa paradisica, something example of some kind different type of plant in underground stem pots developed into new one plants. And potato is a tuber they having eye spot of this eye spot developed into new one plant. They are modified into underground stem modification. These all the areas we will learn 10 11th standard also vegetative morphology. Some example of vegetative propagation by stem, for example stolon, bulb, corn, tuber, and etc. Underground stem modification, for example corn, tuber, rhizome. Aerial modification, subaerial modification, they are all including these are also under stem modification, stem propagation. For example stolon and Wallisneria, this is one of the example of aerial modification. And also runner, underground modification, bulb and corn and tuber. Tuber underground stem, for example bulb, rhizome, runner and bulbil. There are different type of modification in leaf.